Hi guys, so I just wanted to quickly show you how to embed Quizlet into your Canvas. So if you have been using Quizlet for a while, then you already have like those study things prepared and you're wondering how you could utilize them for virtual learning. This is a pretty easy way to do it. Now, like, of course, you can always go to your Quizlet, copy in the link, and send it to them in some way. But this is a way to embed it like directly into Canvas, so they don't have to go to any other website. It's right there. It's already in Canvas, so it makes it more accessible. So how do you do that? Is first off, you're going to want to go to Canvas, okay? And you're going to want to go to an assignment tab. So we're here. We're in a little assignment tab right here, or a page. So a page or assignment. If you want it to be an assignment, then make an assignment. If not, if it's just like for study, for funsies, then a page. So then you go to Quizlet and you find the Quizlet that you want to use. So remember, you can always search for like other people's up here and save them to your Quizlet. I have a lot of vocab terms saved, and they have all these options over here on how to test themselves on it. Now, how do I get that into Canvas is if you go down here and hit these three little dots, you'll see embed. So you see that embed button, and they'll give you a code. And this is almost how simple it is. You just copy and paste it. So you're going to copy it, go back to your Canvas page or Canvas assignment, and then go down here to these little, I forget what they're called in math, those little symbols. Click on it, and it will take you to your HTML editor, and then right click and paste. Okay, and then we'll go back, and it's there. So they can play this game, the start game. This does look a little different. Looks small. I wonder if it continues to look small, because it didn't look small before. Let's save it and see what happens. Oh. Why is it clicking on stuff? Oh, it wants me to submit stuff. So I'm going to say no submission. My bad. That was open from before. That normally wouldn't be open. Okay, so now it's big. Okay, so I was like, that freaked me out. I was like, wow, why is it tiny? It's not. It just looks that way for a second. As soon as you save it, now it's big again. Okay. And the kids should be able to go down here to choose a study mode and choose other options. So like it opens to this matching game, but they could choose learn with just the cards. They could choose, or flashcards is that. They could choose test. You know, they could choose anything they want to do. If you wanted to have them take the test and then submit their score to you, then you could have, instead of saying no submission, you could have said, you know, a file upload, and they could have taken a screenshot and sent it to you. So if you actually wanted it to be like an assignment they got a grade for, you could do that. All right, and that's really it. It's embedded. That's how you embed it.